Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to check Google Form history. Alright, so let's begin with the video. First up, we'll need to access our Google Form. For this, simply head over to the Google Forms website. Once you're signed in, navigate to the specific Google Form you're interested in. Click on it to open it up. With your form open, it's time to head into the settings to find the history. Look for the settings option and click on it. This will open up a new set of options related to your form's configuration. Now, within the Settings menu, you'll want to click on the Responses tab. This is where Google Forms aggregates all the responses your form has received, including yours. Here's GEPT. You'll see a drop-down menu. Click on the first one. This action will bring up several filtering options for your responses. In the options that appear, click on Verified. This ensures you're looking at responses that have been verified by Google, adding an extra layer of authenticity to the data you're viewing. Next, you'll notice a second drop-down menu. Go ahead and click on that one. This further refines how you view the responses. By selecting Always from this menu, you're ensuring that you set your viewing preferences to always show verified responses, making it easier for future navigation. Lastly, it's key to understand that after you submit a response to a Google form, a history of your answers is created right after you've sent it. This essentially acts as a backup copy of what you've submitted, and it's a smart way to keep a record, especially for important forms. And that's it. So that is how you can check Google Form history. So that's all for this video. Thanks.